the slum. There's about 15,000, 10,000 in a Hindu community and 5,000 in a Muslim community.
Here we have a community worker working with them. Mother has gone for rag picking, and this child is looking after that small child. And where will she go for she cannot go anywhere because she has to look after the child whole day till evening. This is a big center for collecting center, and this goes for recycling. So they need children to help them with this work. So that's why they are keeping back children. They are not studying because of the help that is needed at home.
The Lord made it very clear to us that this is the community the Lord is wanting us to serve. So motivated by His love, we came down in '94. The name of the school is Sneha Doon Academy. We started working in the slums in 1995. We started teaching the children in the slum. But it was very difficult to teach there, so we moved into a room just outside this compound where we had a small room with 80 children, and we got the land to build a school, and in '97 the school was built, and then it got the name Sneha Doon Academy, and right now we have 235 children in the school. We do have Bible class for them every day. We teach them Bible verses, hymns, and stories. This school is exclusively for slum community because our whole vision is to serve them and to meet their needs.
This child is studying in our school. She has polio, but she still goes to school very regular. She doesn't have any friends, and this is her house. This is the place where she lives.
Only 25% of the children from the community are attending school. Most of them are coming to this school, but we cannot accommodate all of them. Each year, so many children are coming to the school for admission, but we have to restrict the number of admission because we cannot admit so many children. We are restricted with the number of rooms that we have in the school. There is provision for this building to have more rooms upstairs, and urgently we are in need of at least 2 rooms and a multi-purpose hall for the children to have their morning devotion, so that we can upgrade the school, because our plan is to each year we want to add on 1 more class. Right now only 12 children are sponsored and we have 235 children. So we would love to see more children getting sponsored so that they would continue with the studies. Otherwise they start off with a lot of enthusiasm, but the parents cannot afford to pay even 20 rupees per month as their fee. They cannot provide for the books, the textbooks and other things, uniforms, so they just drop out because of financial problem. And some of the very brilliant children have dropped out, which is very sad for us. But if children can be sponsored, at least we are sure that those children can go ahead with studies up to certain level. And after that, we can train them, give them training on some vocational training, so that like carpentry, plumbing, or electricians training, so that they can use their education and they should be able to earn better that way.
I was hungry, but you fed me. I was lonely when you called my name. I was crying, but you heard me. I was dying when you came.